All right, I think I'm connected. Yes, I am. All right, let's get to it. Okay, we're streaming. We're everything connected. Done, done. Okay. No. All right. Let me get all situated here. Okay. So I don't trade till 9:40 because I trade such a low time frame. So I need stable volatility. And I stop at 11. So let me put the line there. Where's it at? 11, and then I do 12:30 to 1:30. Okay. Let me get my highs and lows and my initial balance. Let's see. Let me reply to this gentleman real quick. Okay. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, I need to get highs and lows from my London's or from the London session. So let's do 3 to 8 Central Time, 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock. We're doing this so we can gauge direction on the day. So let's put a line here. Then the lowest from 3 to 8 is 3 is right here. Okay. And then let me get initial balance. Initial balance is just the first hour open. Okay. Let's see. 8. Oh, it's gonna be tough. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, okay. 8:32. The lowest was. Okay. I can make that right now. 9:30. Let's see. Okay. Done. And then I got to get the highest and lowest sweep on the session. So let me do that real quick also. So looking for my zones. See the sweep right there. If we break this, we know that we're bearish, but we're obviously rejecting it right now. Let's do the upside too. Okay, I see more than one here. Okay, let's mark out a few. So, first things first, fix this. Okay. I see this zone. Yep. Okay. Mark this one red. Um, to be clear too, I'm only doing 3 trades or 2 losses, and each trade I'm expecting a loss just for a healthy mindset. So you'll hear me say it like I'm expecting a loss for this trade. Okay, so let's mark out our zones real quick. There we go. I might play this one actually. And then last but not least is this one. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna take that. Okay, and then now we just sit around and stare and watch. See if we see our setup. Let's get rid of this here. Let's make sure these are at 200 because I risk 200 per trade. Okay, and since I'm doing 2 R today, let me fix that to 200, 200. And then since we're going for 2 R today, or maybe like 1.5 R, let's change it to that. Okay. I think we're good to go now. Oops. Now we just sit and wait. And I do not want to take a trade until we cross this 940 line. Every time I do take a trade before 940, I always get bit in the ass. Excuse my language. Let's see. If you have questions, please ask. I'd love to help. See nothing. All right. I made green tea this morning. Might start sipping on that right now. Okay. I would say the zone has been filled already because it closed above and then came and mitigated 50%. But I don't really like to trade these zones that are on the range because they don't hold well anyways. Okay, let's see here. Sorry, just texting back the wife. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, please ask. I'd love to help. I see something right here. Here's a setup. So we have a sweep right here. We have a tap. And then now we need to reach standard deviation. It just means 100% from away from the zone. You can't really see it, but there's like a little yellow line. It's just 2 of these zones. So when we reach to here, then I'm willing to take this play. Gotta mix the honey and the green tea. I don't really like caffeine, but like natural caffeine is good. I'm yapping away on the live stream. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna reach standard deviation at all. We'll see what happens because with the zones just holding too strong. Let me see. Don't really see anything else. Yeah. Just be patient. I find like 2 to 3 trades around this window of time because I'm on the 5-second time frame, so I see so many opportunities. And then I'll only find like maybe 1 setup on the afternoon. I do not trade this lunch because it's so unpredictable. Volatility is not stable. It's just a mess. So I just avoid lunchtime. Even if I have like trades leaking on past 11, like sometimes I'll take it at 11:10, but most of the time I just take it off because all this volatility will come out of nowhere during that lunchtime. And I'm trading such a low time frame, so I got to be very cautious. I'm gonna go get rid of this knife real quick, and I'll be right back. It won't take long. A pretty reaction to the zone. I love it. I just need to reach standard deviation, then we can take it. Clear taps. Looks like it wants to get to standard deviation. I can like maybe hide this. I don't know how to. I can't show you. Sorry. I'll just leave it. Let's see if I can do this. Control C V. So if you don't understand standard deviation, here it is. It's just 2 zones. So then it just needs to reach to here. Then I can take the zone. Ooh. Okay. Like I said, if you have questions, please ask. I know a lot of y'all are watching right now. I wish there was more for me to do, but there really isn't. It's just pretty boring. Especially with the strategy, like you can just watch YouTube and or Netflix. That's what I used to do, but then I wanted to do more. And I really want to start mentoring people. I want to like mentor like 2 to 3 people for free, and just see how far I can get them because I know I can get them pretty far. Especially with the strategy, how simple everything is. If you're willing to do that or want to do that, let me know. I just need somebody who's like actually committed and not like half-assing this trading journey. I know a lot of people are just half-assing this. So yeah, we did not reach standard deviation. This bottom zone is holding pretty strong. We might switch to switch to bullish, stop bearish, but we'll see. It's a nice zone right there. I might take this, not sure. Let's see. I'm tuned in. You can't comment unless you subscribe. I tried to change it, but I couldn't, so I just left it. But if you wanted to comment on the live stream, you just have to subscribe. And I'll let you comment. I like the setup. I just don't like how it's in this zone right here. Let's see. Because I don't want this zone to reach 50%. and then it stops me out of here. Let me change this to 200. Okay, let's see. The zone's being respected still. I kind of want more of a push to the upside. Yeah, and that London is right here too. Yeah, I kind of want to push to the upside if I do take this. I think we're going to get it. I don't know. It's scary. Let's see. I think I'll take the trade just for the live stream. 13. Let's see. Buy 10. All right. I want a reaction to the zone before I enter. If it just cuts right through, I'll just take it off. I'm liking the strength to the upside. But we rejected that London, which means we still keep coming down. Let's see. There we go. So what I teach is just entering at 50%. But obviously you can just enter a little later in the zone. Just have a higher RR. But I really recommend just sticking to 50 and then doing 1-on-1. Because that delivers a lot more than how this delivers. Now we just sit and wait. I wish there was more for me to do. And like I repeated earlier, we're expecting a loss just for our mindset. I like this right here. It gives me indication that we're going to bust through. And these two blue lines are just London high and low from 3 to 8 Central Time. For some reason, there's a lot of resistance on those lines. So I always mark them. Just keep it simple. I hope this doesn't look too complicated. It's a lot more simpler than it looks if it does look complicated. I'm just putting lines at where resistance is at, and I'm making boxes. I'm trading those boxes. That's it. And these little things here just tell me how much to risk in each box. Because I only want to risk $200 to make whatever. I don't see nothing so far. Except that play below. And there we go. Hopefully we come down to it. So why this strategy works is it's just sweeping all these stops. And then you'll come back up. It's just so simple. There's construction going on outside. I hope you can't hear it. It's quite loud. If anybody has like color suggestions on the candles, let me know. I kind of want to change them up. I had black and white for a while, and I have these like pastel colors. My wife told me they look like gender reveal colors. Very volatile. Yeah, I agree. It's not as bad as it usually is. It's awesome to see you tune in, Jem. Hope you didn't stay up too late last night. Got your rest. Sometimes too, like if price action or like volatility is way too high, I just hop off for the day because I'm trading the 5-second time frame and like I just cannot handle it flicking back and forth, especially on NQ. You can trade the strategy on the 1 minute time frame, but I'm only trading on a small window of time, so I don't see that many opportunities in that small window of time. I need to cut my hair and I keep forgetting to tell my wife to do it. She told me the other day, like, remind me, and I just forgot. Sitting and waiting. Yesterday I had a loss, a win, then a loss. So hopefully today it's better. Mm. There was a zone up here that I kind of liked. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Let me try to mark it out. My own box. I don't know. This is a little too tight for me. Let me see. Standard deviation is here. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Nah, I won't take that. Yeah, I won't take this. I'm gonna take that off. Let me see if I see anything. No. No. Yeah, it's a pretty zone up here. Maybe I'll go back to it when we get closer. Let me just keep it out. Keep it drawn. Just in case. Okay. See, nothing still. So just a recap. I like to get the highest and lowest sweep from the open at 8:30 to 9:30 Central Time. And so that gives me that range. I don't like how far we've gotten away from the zone, so I'm gonna take it off for now. So I see something here. Not necessarily ideal. Just put it just in case. I do like it though. Let's see. Long. All right, that's good. About 9 contracts. Okay. Hmm. Did we reach standard deviation with this one? Stevie. Yeah. I might take this. I like this. Straight to the upside still. There's no zones. Downside. Kind of just, yeah, I kind of like this. I think I want to take this. Even if we do come back down. 5. And we're expecting a loss. And 2 losses, we're done for the day. C9. Sweep right here. Tap. It's not exactly on there. It's not ideal. But I do like the price action. And we also have a London low in between the zone. I've seen these get chopped and then come back up. Let's see, I want a reaction to the zone before entering. Do we see anything over here? Nope. What's this one right here? Oh yeah, that would have been an L. I see a play right here. Yeah, that would have been an L. Okay. Come on, buddy. Most days are boring days. That's a good thing. We're just doing the same thing again and again and again and again. while progressively gaining more accounts and growing those accounts. Come on, you can come fill me out or what? I want to tap before entering. If I don't get a clear tap, I'm taking it off. And I say that because this tap was not on the zone. But I just do like the direction we're going. There's no zones preventing us from going higher. Accumulating to the downside. There we go. I see volatility increasing. Was there any news today too, or no? I don't think so. Let's see, I can like just snoop real quick. Oh, this looks crazy. Let's see. Oh, let me change this to 15 minutes. See if there's any news. Oh, tomorrow. What? Oh, it's today. Home sales. Yeah. Jeez. SP, PMI. Eh. Yeah, it's all right. Russia and Ukraine during market, there was some news about attack or something. More buffoonery. Okay, that's where the drop came from. That makes sense. All these panic people in the market. I like the zone above. There's too many taps on the zone, so I'm unsure about it. And I don't really want to take it just because how strong we're moving up. So I'm gonna say no on this play, but I'll leave it out just for education. Even 50% of the high and low from initial balance is in the zone. To those new viewers, if this looks complicated, it's not, I promise you. They're just lines and boxes. It's just that simple. No indicators, nothing. So everything's mechanical. Let's see if this zone over here gets filled out. We had nice reactions to it. Do I see anything else? Nope. 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 I still want this zone. If we reject the zone above, I'll hold it. But if we keep pushing higher, I might not hold it no more. We have an awfully large range that we're in. Yeah. Just been bouncing it. Oh, look, nice reaction to the zone. This little white zone that you're looking at. You see the sweep right here? Sweep, tap, standard deviation. 3 taps is a no, so that's why I took this off. So there's more taps on it. I take it off. I wouldn't take it. We'll see. It more likely might fail. Just because of the position that it's in. Okay. Nope. Don't see nothing. I always want to take plays too, like that don't have sweeps. But I know it's just bad habits, so I can't be doing that. Damn, we're just trending, doing nothing. Come on, come back down. I should maybe draw. I was thinking about doing this. I might as well just do it. So I'm doing nothing. Where's that drawing at? Let's try to like put it right here. It's go up, we go down, we go up, we sweep, we break the zone, we tap the zone, we break structure, and we fail. Oh man, I deleted it. I'll just do it again. This is I'm gonna fail. See. Easy. And then let me do a little. Oh, let's keep that red actually. Let's keep it white. There we go. I didn't go to 50% there, but just trying to give you an idea. Sweep, tap, and then two zones is 100% standard deviation. And then break a structure after the tap. Even if the tap's really late, I still need to break a structure. Yeah, so this zone is not being delivered. This white one, maybe we'll see. Yep, white one didn't get delivered either. So yeah, the reason I didn't take this is the strength to the upside. We have another zone up here. I like this zone. I might take this one. It's very clean. Let me see. Oh, I see another one too in there. I think I like this one better. We have two here. Let's see. I'm gonna take the smaller one. Let's change it to 5R. Let's leave it like that. Okay, let's see how much of a reaction we get to the zone. And I'll decide if I want to take it or not. I'll put my limit orders there too, just in case. Short position. So when we are pushing to the upside, we'll normally blow through one zone and then we'll deliver on the next. Just for like example I'm showing you now. It happens a lot, or it happened a lot recently to the downside. It just hasn't happened to the upside because I haven't had the opportunity. Okay, so 7 contracts, limit, sell, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. All right. Yeah, no plays, nothing. Let's see. I'm gonna put a line here too on that bigger zone so I'm aware of it. Let's keep it dashed or dotted. Do white too. Okay. Yeah, I don't see nothing. It's just a sweep to the upside. Nope. I used to trade the 1 second for the longest time. But like I feel like my emotions were getting too high because I just kept taking like every zone I could find. But I was winning a lot, so it was just bad habits. I think the longevity is in being more patient and waiting. No, see nothing. It might come back down. I still like this zone, honestly. I just need a reaction to it before I do enter. Same thing with this one up here. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. See anything? Oh, look, I kind of see something there. It's not ideal. Change it to green. I don't think this even reach standard deviation. I can get rid of this too. Yeah, see nothing. Just one of those days. I feel like I've done a lot already, and it's only been 20 minutes. I think that's just because I'm on the 5-second time frame. I kind of like this. I like how we broke structure after that tap. We definitely reached standard deviation. It's something I would like to take, to be honest. Dude, hell yeah, Joshua. Yeah, I think I worked with you like at Cracker Barrel like a long time ago. I'd love to teach you. Let me know. I want to mentor like 2 or 3 people for free. So I'd love to get you in the space. It took me 6 years to get here, and I'm pretty sure I can teach somebody in like 3 to 6 months. I really like broke down everything. I don't know if you can understand these candlestick charts, but the strategy I'm teaching is so simple. Yeah. Let me know, Jem, if you really want to. We can backtest together and everything. I can kind of get your footing right, and then your behaviors. Yeah, let me know. I'm planning on making a video. I'm gonna start posting weekly backtests, like a clickbait title, and then it ends in me backtesting. Um, let's go. Is trading view free? Oh, so for bar replay, if I have a affiliate, it's like $15 off. You can get 1 minute and above, um, for free, like that first month. But you need the premium to backtest lower time frames. Um, if you're tight on money, though, I do know a way. If you go on Ant Futures and then make like a trial account and choose Quantower, you can use Quantower's futures, um, and you can backtest for free on there for 30 days, and you can just keep making new accounts. But I just highly recommend TradingView if you're trading on TopStep X, just so you can have the habit and patterns. So like everything's the same. So the same stuff you're doing on TopStep X, you'll be doing on TradingView. The whole goal is just so your subconscious understands your strategy. And yeah, Joshua, if you want to DM me or something, let me know. I feel like, but this is a lot. This isn't like something that we can just like half-ass do or side hustle. Like this is like you need to give this your all. If you have a partner too, your partner needs to understand what you're doing. Like this is a lot, but it's mostly free. It's like you all really need to do is get programs. Well, that's it. And you don't need money because you can get a prop firm account and they give you money to trade. Yeah, Jim, if you want to DM me also, let me know. Yeah, I see nothing. So I left this white line here with this bigger zone. Give me confirmation that this zone is more the valid one than the one above. It's a nice zone. I like it. I really want to take it. Let me fix this. Oh, 6. Okay. Leave this alone for now. Try not to touch that. How many taps have we got in? 1 tap, 2 tap. So we want an entry here. We don't want another tap. This zone delivered, but I wouldn't have taken it. It's too choppy. Also, Jam, I don't know how often you do back tests, but at least 3 minimum a week. Like any less than that, you're kind of just gambling every time you enter the markets because you need to be back testing. It's the same as playing poker. You need to be ready to compete against high level people. And if you journal everything, all your trades, backtesting and live, like that'll put you miles ahead of everybody else. Yeah, like it took me, I think, like less than 7 days to master a strategy when I just backtested every single day. And I did like 3 backtests a day. It was just so easy. Like that's how I got really, really good at the 1 second time frame. And then I got really good at 15 second. And I found my sweet spot at 5 second. So I just kept backtesting. And I was able to like decipher what issues I was making and making the strategy more and more mechanical. It's like I see all these other YouTubers and all these like mentors trying to teach strategies, but like they're just so advanced and like it's so much. I don't understand why no one's doing mechanical nowadays. But I think it's just like to suck you in to pay for their products. I just don't understand. Like I for a while too, I was struggling. Even like Carmine, um, like Investor Trade. Like I took his course and stuff a while ago, and like I still was left with so many questions. I didn't understand what was going on. Still, I was just constantly gambling. But the answer is just a mechanical strategy and then back testing. I like this play still. I want it. We'll see. It's even if we come this far down. If we do come this far down, I'm still interested in this play above. I won't be too interested if we get a lot of volume to the upside. For those who are watching and have Discord or want to create a Discord, join mine and you can get educated on the strategy and ask me questions. I'm available there, so you can talk to me all you want. The whole goal of making that was so like other people can focus on the strategy and then find an accountability partner who's doing the exact same thing you're doing, so then y'all can excel so fast together. I see a counter trend play right here. Not gonna take it either. But let's just see if it delivers. Yeah, it basically delivered. Did it reach standard deviation though? I don't think it did. It did not. Yeah, would not have taken that. Staring and watching. I hate these accumulations on the 1 minute because I can't really trade. Doing a whole lot of nothing. In retrospect, the best days are the days you don't trade at all because you knew better to not take low probability. I don't know if I told you, Gem, too. The strategy, the more selective you are, you can average an 85% win rate. Just be way, way more selective than everybody else and limit your trades, and you'll have a high win rate. I think the lowest, like even with emotional trades, you'll reach around 60%, and that's still a lot. Especially if you switch to 1 to 2. I'll do like this. I'm liking this zone a lot. I might take this one. Let's see. Long position. 25 contracts. Okay, let's see. We're expecting a loss. That's what we want. 25. 15. Let's see. I want a reaction to the zone first before. Um, shit, I gotta do 24. I gotta do one less for risk. 10. 10. And then 4. Okay. I like this. I want a reaction to it. And then um, I'll take it. If it fails 50% and comes back up to TP, I have to take it off. But that's even if we come back down. It doesn't seem like we are. Oh, this is what I was afraid of. Yeah, there's volatility into the zone. See this happen more often than not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one up here. We're getting lots of spikes of volatility. I like this one though. Let's see if we get a reaction to it. We're risking 200 to make 300. I can go for the eternal swing, which is like a higher RR, but I don't think I want to do that on the live stream. But I often will do that to pass combines. I really want to pass just sticking to the strategy so people can learn and practice. On Gem, if you wanted to go higher RR, you would go for the internal swing. So like if we just dumped right here, then I would just target the eternal swing. If we like chopped and like we chopped right here, I would go for that last chop. It mostly delivers. Like here's a good example. It fills 50% right here, and then you would go for the eternal swing right here. So you would got your higher RR. And higher RR, you need a lower win rate too. So I think like the 4R average, you only need like a 25% win rate. Damn, doing a whole lot of nothing. Come on, buddy. There we go. I like this. There we go. Come on. Come on. Or not. We're expecting a loss. We are not expecting a win. Let's see if we get filled here. Okay. Come on. There he goes. There's a reaction to the zone. I love it. Exactly what I wanted. I hate how Top X doesn't let me do bracket orders. But it's like the most friendly trading platform for new traders. I need to represent it. All right, come on. If you feel 50 and go to TP, I've taken this order off. So we got, I'll classify this as one tap. So one tap, two tap. So if I get a third, I have to take this order off. We're respecting it though. Come on, buddy. Stop playing with me. Ooh, I see something here. See, did that reach standard deviation? It did not even close. Leave that alone. I could put it green. So yeah, here's a sweep right here. Here's a tap. And then we need standard deviations right here. It's kind of scary because I might just go straight to standard deviation. If it does do that, I'll take it. Come on, buddy. Stop playing with me. Okay, if we break this up here, I'm taking the order off. Yeah. Because I will classify it as my third tap. If it breaks this candle right here. There we go. Put my TP a little above higher. Oh, I put my. Oh, yay! We got a win. We expected a loss, so our emotions weren't high. I need to document this too, real quick. So let's see how much we're up on the account. 282. So like after fees. Okay, let me document this. If you want to see my journal too, real quick, let me show you. I put a picture. Got my 3 trades right here. How many points did you aim for? So I'm gonna just really listen here. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna dive deep into it real quick. Okay, so look. We see a sweep right here, right? We broke the zone, so I made my swing from the sweep. We tap, we break structure. I then place my order and I wait for to have less than 3 taps. I normally would say recommend to enter at 50% of this zone. So if you look at this right here, we enter at 50% and put it 1 tick outside the box. We're gonna lose $200, but we're gonna make 180. Just a good example. So it's a 0.19 RR, but I entered later on the zone, so it becomes a 1.7 RR. So I'm still risking $200, but I'm making more. So how many points necessarily? I don't know. It tells you ticks right here. I think like are 6 points. Is that it right there? I think. And if you want to see the trade, I can show you too. But that's basically it. It's that simple. I never ever pay attention to points. All I care about is how much I'm risking per trade and how much I'm gonna make per trade. So if I have a higher than 101 RR, then that's all that matters. Even if you have a 0.08 RR, like you're risking more to make a little less. If you have a high win rate, it's still okay. Okay, let me document the trade real quick so I can have it ready for the end of the week. Oh, I forgot to draw. Shit. Sorry. Excuse my language. Let me draw on it real quick. Let me do white. Zone here. Zone here. Okay. Okay, and then get rid of this. And Notion's free. It's a free journaling app. Okay. I don't know if I have any complaints. Don't have. I don't know. Small zone. Oh, you know what? It was accumulation. Accumulation was going on. Yeah, it's Notion. Let me show you that. If you watch the video I posted on YouTube, I show you how to set it up. So easy. See Notion, pricing, but it's free. And you don't need to pay it at all. You can have everything. And you can make it's so good. It's just like an advanced note taking app, and I you can turn. I have a table view that turns the table into a calendar. Just watch the video I posted, um, and like just kind of you can skip through it. But I honestly recommend watching it. There's a lot of good insight on there, but you're just making like a table view and turning that table view into a calendar view. So then like you can every day document your trade. So at the end of the week, you have everything so organized for you and ready. And then the part where I mentioned getting an accountability partner, y'all both do that, and y'all both work on behaviors that y'all are lacking in. Y'all will excel so far. Or if you just had a mentor like me, I just do it with you. But if you're an adult and you have a child, like you don't really need to fix behaviors unless you're a terrible parent or a terrible partner. Then obviously, but it's basically just like self love or the addictions to instant gratification. I like this zone. Might take it, not sure yet. Hell yeah. Sorry, this gentleman Dennis is watching the stream, but he's not commenting on the stream. If you subscribe, you can comment. Thank you, Mr. Dennis. Okay, I do like this zone. I do want to take it. If we reject it, I'm not sure. Let's see. Kind of want to enter this one at 50% too. It's only one contract. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. I don't want this eternal structure broken. If we break this right here, I'm taking this order off. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna get touch 50 or not. This is the line I don't want broken here. So that will be my third tap. Come on, come on. Come fill me out. Come fill me out. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Here, let me see if I can move this white line to where I don't want it to break. There it goes. I want it to come all the way up, fill 50, and then come back down to TP. Come on, feel me. If we get like really close and hit TP, I'm taking the order off. Then the zone will be mitigated, meaning that it got filled already. We're gonna break that white line, are we? Oh, maybe not. Come on, don't break it. Don't break it. Come on. Go back up. Go back up. We're expecting a loss. Just for a healthy mindset. Nice. I didn't break it. That's good. I like it. I like this zone a lot. There's a lot of times too, like it will just by a tick miss the 50% and then come down. It pisses me off. Cause I'll be sitting and waiting and waiting and waiting. It's just like, damn. Come on, buddy. We're almost there. You're supposed to keep playing with me. No. I don't know if I ever stated it, but the top chart is a 1 minute and the bottom is a 5 second. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. The long candles are starting to spawn in. kind of scaring me a bit, to be honest. See how this 1 minute candle closes. Okay. I like it still. Come on, feel me. Feel me. Feel me. Yes, I got filled. We're expecting a loss. See what happened here. Oh, 4 contracts. I did one on accident. Whatever. Well, I guess we're risking 40 bucks. There we go. I'm kind of like trying to hit like $500 a day. Uh, hopefully that happens, but we'll see. I don't think we will though. No. Oh, look, maybe it's filling out 75%. Oh no, it's not. It's going for that stop, isn't it? And then we have one more trade after this. Oh, nice, it's filling. If I wouldn't have accidentally read this wrong, I would have risked 200 on this trade. But it is what it is. I didn't necessarily want to interlate on this trade either, because how big the zone was. It's pretty huge. Oh, look, that part got chopped. Okay. Yeah, it looks like our stop's going to get hit here. That'll put us at like 200 on the session. No. All right, stop, guys. Let me document it. Easy peasy. Sometimes I hate what it'll do is it'll wick me out and then it'll hit TP. It's so annoying. Okay, let's document it real quick. All right. Take this picture. Slap it in the journal. I don't know what I would necessarily say. I don't know. Probability. Probabilities. Probability loss. Nice. Okay, do we see anything else? Do I have any orders open? Oh, this one still. Oh. Yeah, I hate when that shit happens. That just barely wicks me out. How many points did it wake me out? 2 points. Even if it delivers TP, I don't think it will. There's so much strength to the upside. Back to doing nothing. Don't see the zone there. Nope. Do I see anything here? I see something here. It's kind of like stretching it. See, let me see if I can write it. Draw it. No, I don't think I'm gonna take that. Whatever. So we're up 1 win and 1 loss. I would have been at like 80 something dollars on the day, not 235. Well, piano doesn't really matter, to be honest, because you can just trade any size and risk any amount. I really recommend risking 50 bucks though, each trade if you're just starting out, or $25, either or. But you have like $2,000 of drawdown with most prop firms, so like $50 is perfect. I see anything. Oh, this crazy ass drawing right here is funny. This is what I'm looking for. Sweep, tap, break a structure after the tap, standard deviation, meaning 100% away from the zone, then filling 50%. Kind of drew it a little wrong, but wanted to touch 50. TP up here, stop below. You see it right here. Tap, sweep, and break a structure, standard deviation. A lot of chopping today. I am curious how the 15-second looks. Let me just peek it real quick. Nope, nope, nope. All that huge 15-second zone. Nice. Okay, let me go back to the 5-second. Nothing. All right, well, 30 more minutes to find something, so we'll see. It's my last trade. Hopefully it's a green trade. We'll see. I like this zone right here, but I wouldn't take it because of the equal highs. I'll mark it out though. Oh, I did get really close to 52. Oh, what is this? What is this little guy right here? Oh, what is this? I might like this. We'll see. I normally have higher probability on these on the second swing to the downside. I'll mostly get like a clear tap. If I do, I'll put my order on. Let's see. Change this to red. Let's move it to. Okay, yeah, so I want this to break, and that'll be my tap. And then I'll put my order on. Sometimes it'll just come right back and fill me out. There it goes, it broke. Let's see. Damn, we're flying down. 22. A lot of contracts. Sell 10. Sell 10. Damn, we flew. And then sell 2. Whatever. Oh, look, this one might deliver. Let's change that. See how much we need to risk. Long. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. I see something here. Gotta be careful. Okay. A lot of strength to the downside here. I don't know if I want to take this. 21. Let's see. Oh, clear rejection there. I don't know. I'm unsure. Don't like how strong we are coming to the downside. Yeah, I feel 50%. Never mind. It already delivered. Yeah, delivered. See if you risk 50. You would hit TP. This is the one I want though. 22. I'm just afraid. Actually, let me move this up. Change it to 20. Sale 10. I'm afraid because the volatility is just gonna go way too high and I won't be able to put my stop in time. Oh, Gem, earlier I was telling you how if you aim for the eternal structure, so like even like entering at 50% here, and then going for that eternal structure right here, it would have been 4R. And you only need to win 25% of the time. And this is a high win rate strategy, so you just be winning a lot. I want this one. If it fills 50 and comes to TP, I'm gonna take it off. So it'll just be mitigated. I might go for the eternal structure with this one, just because it seems like we're switching bearish by rejecting the zone here. Let me get rid of this one. That sucks. I didn't get to get filled here. This one is definitely holding, so let me spread that out. Change it to green. Okay. I think I had another big one. Yeah, this one right here. This one more than likely might deliver. So let's get that. This line is from this bigger zone. Move my journal back to this side. Probability loss. Okay. Oh. Come on, come fill me out over here, please. Please. Just give me something. Give me something. Nope, nothing. There's something here, but I'm stretching it. I don't want to take that. Yeah, and it would need to break structure. Let's see. It's right here. Oh, but like, what are we even really sweeping? Yeah. Have to go. Keep in touch. Yes, sir. No problem, Jim. TTYL. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. So yeah, like I like the zone. We got the tap. We're about to get break a structure right here. I don't know if it's like necessarily a sweep though. It's just like the first flip. And it's in the zone. Don't think I want to take this. But I do like how 50% is on the zone. I think I want to do it honestly. Let's see. That 50% being on the zone is what's pushing me to take it. 16. Okay. Hmm. 15. I honestly want to go for 5R. Damn, so many contracts. 23. Okay, let's add 5. Let's add 2. Okay. Let's see if we deliver on this one. Ooh, come on. Come on. If I take this trade or this trade, I'm done for the day. Either one. I really want this one though. I'm afraid though it's not gonna fill me at 75 and go to 50. It is what it is. Come on, player. There we go. There's some strength. I really like the second swing to the downside. What does that mean? When we're coming down the zone. It delivers a lot of the time. So I need a reaction to it, and then we'll take it. This is the setup we're looking for right here. Super easy, super mechanical. Sweep, tap, break a structure after the tap, 100% away from the zone, standard deviation, and 50%. Just playing games again and again and again. I see something here, but just another zone in the zone. I honestly like this one more than the one I have my order on. I might take this one instead. I like this one a lot better. A lot better. Let's see how much do we. It's more proper sweep. 23. Yep, yeah, we're gonna take this one instead. Let's change this one to green. A lot of times too, like if you have like 3 zones all stacked on top of each other, either all 3 will deliver or 2 out of 3. Like a lot of them will deliver most of the time because they're so small and you're just chopping around. So I like this a lot. I love how we wicked out of this. We have a proper sweep, proper taps. Okay. Let's make this bigger. Uptrending. Yeah, I like this. I just hope it doesn't spawn in and I don't have time to move my stop. Come on, buddy. Are we gonna keep coming down? Yeah, we're respecting that downtrend. Anything? No. Just keeps playing with me. I feel like this is 50% is gonna deliver more than the 75. Just because this white dash line is that zone. Reaction to the zone, I like it. Now we want an entry. I don't want it to break this structure right here. If it breaks right here, I'm gonna take it off. So that would just be 3 taps on it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's gonna fill me. It's gonna fill that 50. Oh, it hit my stop, Nice. Okay, at least I got my stop was hit. That's good. Let me write it. Let me document this. Let's see. Oh, look, that zone that I originally wanted to take delivered. That's funny. I mean, it is what it is. Let's write it out. What is it? So today I got 1 win and 2 losses, and the day I break even. I lost. The first trade was 5R. So let's write this down. Loss. Oh, let me show you the journal so you can see. Take all these orders off. Loss. Zone within a zone could have been avoided. Okay. Here's the zone I took. This one delivered. delivered. Okay, just leave it there. Zone within the zone, the one below delivered. Boom. All right, yeah, and that's it. For my live streaming stats. Yesterday I ended the day at like negative 180. And today we're at break even. So it's good stats. That's basically it. All right, well I'm hopping off. I hop off at 11 anyway, so we're almost there. Let me know if you have questions. I'd love to help y'all. I think I'm hopping out. That's it. See you later. Stay safe. Stay solid. Be healthy and mentally okay. All right. GTYL. And thank you for joining in. I appreciate you.